Hi guys, so we are at Battle Road level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Nathan ARF. There we go. Now the time is 14:46 on Sunday the 3rd of July 2016. And this is for our 14:48 1 Hotel 80 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. This used to be an AHB. There's another crossing just a bit up the line called River Hall, which is what we're visiting next.
Yeah, I'll still just walk down the footpath.
Yeah, pretty easy, isn't it? Yeah, I was stood up here to catch in my shot, and that's Nathan's dad up there. I was stood up on the third step to get a cool shot of the lights come on. But they're pretty bright, aren't they? Those lights.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up to the top and get a good shot. Get pretty much a good shot of the whole crossing like this. Pardon?
Pretty good looking that.
Yeah, it is. It's really bright. Max's new LEDs are not that bright. Blythe bridges are not as bright since they've got 2 new lights put in. Yeah. Nathan's taller than me. One of the first people I've actually met up with that's not taller than me.
Well, I think I went through puberty at 9, so...
Really, do you have to say that on camera?
What? You've got to learn sometime.
Yep. We've got... 375 625. 375 625 to 375 927 to London Charing Cross. And... yeah, up they go. Thanks guys, next video.